Hey guys, welcome back to my another drawing tutorial of Lord Hanuman जी। मैं इस आउटलाइन के लिए फ्री हैंड ड्राइंग मेथड का यूज़ कर रही हूँ एंड आई हैव यूज्ड ऑयल पेस्टल्स एज अ मीडियम फॉर कलरिंग। आप ग्रिड लाइन मेथड का भी यूज़ कर सकते हो आउटलाइन बनाने के लिए। I have partially followed a reference picture for this drawing and उसका लिंक भी description box में दिया हुआ है। In this tutorial, you are watching the outline part only. Color part tutorial is separately uploaded and I have attached the link in the description box below. There I have also mentioned all the materials those I have used to complete this drawing. Now enjoy this tutorial. this is it for this outline tutorial, and watch next part to complete this drawing. I hope you liked this tutorial and enjoyed as well. So hit the like button and don't forget to drop your feedbacks in the comment section below. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel for many more upcoming tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Happy drawing!